Using this website, you can earn the easiest $100 a day as a complete beginner and from any part of the world. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this new earning app today. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but as you can see, here you can earn over $100 per offer you complete. These offers are simple games and app offers to install different apps and to play different play to earn games online. And you can earn over $100 a day installing those apps and playing those play to earn games. I have tried this app myself, and today, I will be showing my live withdrawal proof from this new earning app today, so stay tuned until the end of this video. Now the name of this website is called as the GameCash.gg. I will leave a link to GameCash.gg in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can use that link to come over to its homepage of GameCash.gg website. This new earning site is available in almost all the countries around the world, so you can be from any country and you can still earn a good amount of money using this site if you follow each and every step shown in this video. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you and others watching from your country. Now, the good thing is that GameCash.gg provides you a wide range of payment options to choose from, and it will only show you those payment methods that are available in your country. So if PayPal is available in your country, you will be shown with that. If direct bank transfers are available in your country, you will be shown with that. And if the crypto payments are acceptable in your country, you will be shown those options too. So just click on the first link in the description of this video, come over to the homepage of GameCash.gg, and the first thing I want you to do is to click where it says sign up to register yourself on GameCash site. Now, sign up process is a little bit confusing, so pay close attention to it. First, you need to create a unique username for your account. Then, you want to enter your valid email address that you are currently using in this box right here, because you need to verify this address to get the free bonuses on GameCash site. Next, you need to create a strong password for your account and confirm the same password in the next box. Now, the most important thing, in the bonus code, you need to enter my code, which is CashPro, in all capital letter, to receive 25% earnings boost for a period of 3 days after entering my code while registration on GameCash website. So just enter my code just like this in the bonus code box. Read the terms and conditions here and mark them check in this box, and just press sign up button to register yourself on GameCash.gg website. You can also register directly using your Google Mail account or your Discord account. But then, to get the 25% earnings boost, you need to go to the account settings section from the left. Here, you need to scroll down a little bit, and where it says the bonus code, you need to enter the CashPro in all capital letter as your bonus code to receive 25% earnings boost for a period of 3 days after entering my code. So once you log into your GameCash.gg account, this is how your dashboard will look like. And you can see that my account has a balance of 11 coins, and 1 coin is equal to $1, so I have just earned over $11 in my account. Let me refresh this page for you so you don't think this is some kind of screenshot or something like that. So as you can see, I still have $11 in my account, which I can withdraw anytime. And today, I will be showing my live withdrawal proof of these $11 from GameCash.gg website. So like this video, and help me get over 5,000 like on this video if you want to see more withdrawal proof videos on CashPro. And now if you want to know which offer I completed to earn this amount, then I can show you that by opening my profile from top right corner. As you can see here, I have completed only one offer on this account, for which I got paid over $11.592, which you can also see in my account balance. And to earn this reward, I completed this offer called the Warpath Ace Shooter Play to earn games offer. I completed this offer on the 27th of December, and I got credited within 2 to 3 days in my GameCash.gg account. And you can find this offer from the offers section from the left. So the step number 2 is once you log into your account, to earn over $100 a day, you need to come over to the offers section from here. Now here you will find many different offer walls you can choose from to earn money online. Here you can find Torox offer wall, My Chips offer wall, Time Wall offer wall, Nodic Times, Lootably, Sushi ads, and many other offer walls to choose from and to earn money online. As you can see, here you can earn unlimited amounts of money. There is no cap on that. So if you want, you can easily earn over $100 a day using these offer wall offers. And if you are a complete beginner, I suggest you to start with the Torox offer wall. So to start with Torox, all you need to do is to click on Show Tasks button right here, and a pop-up window will open up where you can find different apps and games offers to complete and earn money online. But first, you need to select your device, whether you have an Android device or an iOS device, or you can just simply select the offers depending on the device you have. For example, if you have iOS device, you can choose only those offers that are available for iOS devices. And if you have the Android device, you can choose use only those offers that are available for the Android devices, and so on. Now, for example, if we want to install this Play to Earn Games app called The Wishing Well, for which we will earn $23. All we need to do is to click on it and open it from there. It will show us the description and the requirements for installing and playing this Play to Earn Games app. So as you can see, to earn $23 for playing this P2E Games app, first you need to have an Android device to install it on your Android device, because this game is available for the Android device only. Secondly, you can read the description of this Play to Earn Games app here, which says that play and reach as far as you can. So this is fun and challenging game. Now here you can see that if you reach level 100 meters in this Play to Earn game, you will be credited with the 2 cents to your GameCash.gg account. If you reach 550 meters on this game, you will be credited with the 7 cents. If you reach 1000 meters, you will be credited with $3.80. On reaching the 2000 meters distance, you will be credited with $5.10. And if you reach 5000 meters distance in this Play to Earn Games app, you will be credited with another $14 to your GameCash.gg account. And in total, you will earn over $23 for playing this Play to Earn Games app. Now, most importantly, I want you to read the requirements section down here. So, as you can see, you must use a genuine mobile device, and don't use any type of VPN or proxies to complete this offer. Next, stick with one device and location. Third, you only have 30 days to complete this Play to Earn Games app and to earn a total of $23 playing this game. And it is very easy to complete this game in 30 days. Fourth, and the most important thing, is that this Play to Earn Games offer is available for the new users only, or first-time users only. And this offer, and any other app or Play to Earn Games offer on this website, is available for new users only. So I suggest you to create a completely new Gmail account and register using that account to these Play to Earn Games offers. Fifth, your rewards are usually delivered within 24 hours. So if you reach some levels of this Play to Earn game and don't get credited instantly, don't worry, just wait for 24 hours and your reward will be credited to your GameCash.gg account. Another important requirement is that you need to open this Play to Earn Games app immediately after installation for a smooth experience and higher completion chances. So to earn $23 playing this game, all you need to do is to scan this QR code from here using your Android device, and you will be taken to the Google Play Store, from where you can install this app and start to earn money online. Or you can just simply click on this email link to your phone button right here. Enter your email in this box and just click on send to receive the link to your email, using which you can install this app and start to earn money online for playing that game. So just like this, you can install many apps from here to play them and to earn money playing them. And the first bonus tip to earn 10 times more money than others is that you can install 2 or more apps from here and play them simultaneously to earn a good amount of money. And I suggest you to complete some high-paying apps and game offers from here, such as this offer, which is paying over $100 for completing this game's offer, or this offer, where you can get paid over $500 for completing this Play to Earn Games offer. And now the step number 3 to earn even more money with GameCash.gg. What you can do is to come over to the affiliate section from the left. That's going to take you to this page where you can see that you can invite your friends to GameCash.gg website and you can start earning together. As you can see, when your friends sign up using your referral link and complete tasks, you'll earn extra points for each task they finish. The more tasks they complete, the more points you'll rack up. You will earn 5% of whatever your referrals will earn. So just copy your affiliate link from here and start sharing it with your friends and family to earn some passive income online. Now every month, GameCash.gg distributes coins to the top 25 most active users, and you can earn $100 in just prizes if you are the most earning user of that month. So the more you earn, the higher chances you have to get the prize for completely free. And now the step number 4 is to show you guys my live withdrawal proof from GameCash.gg website. As you can see, I have $11 in my account, which I can withdraw by going to the payout section from the left. Now on this page, I just need to choose the payment method that are available for me. And the good thing is that GameCash.gg will only show you those payment methods that are available in your country. So as you can see, I can get paid in PayPal or in different cryptocurrencies using Binance, or I can also get paid in many different gift cards that are available here. But I like PayPal the most, so I will just select the PayPal method from there. And on this page, I will just scroll down and select the $11 PayPal option. Then I just need to complete these steps just like you are seeing on your screen, and I will be paid within 2 to 3 days to my PayPal account, so let's wait for it. And as you can see, I get paid $10 to my PayPal account, which was sent by the GameCash.gg website partner. So once again, I will leave a link to GameCash.gg in the description of this video video and the pinned comment. You can sign up today to earn money, get 25% earning bonus, and to start earning over $100 a day from today itself. That's it for today. Thanks.